Good morning. Happy Friday. So I just finished my Zoom class. Um, I do low impact resistance workout with small gym equipment that I can do in a small space. Pretty cool to be able to share it with people around the country on Zoom. And then locally, people come here and we work out while I'm working out with people in California. So it's really cool to be able to do that. I'm super excited about August coming. I can't believe we're already at our 8th month of the year. And for myself, I'm like trying, now that I'm settling, I'm trying to set my goals for this coming 5 months and really just kind of turn it up. So for myself, I've been setting myself up and getting ready to do a 30-day challenge for myself, um, including waking up early. For me, that's 3 a.m. And I've been doing it all week this week. It's giving me time to take 10 minutes and listen to a meditation and write in my journal for, a few minutes and pick up a book that I've been wanting to read, that teaches me how to be a better learner. So having just a little time, even if you just woke up a half an hour earlier and started, that's how I did it. I was like, all right, I already stretch in the morning and I use a massage roller. And so I started, that was my exercise in the morning. Although I teach classes, that was my exercise. And one of the other things that I added was a vibration plate. This week, I've had a lot of people ask me about the vibration plate. What are the benefits of the vibration plate? I just got a vibration plate. How do you use it? So I wanted to show you a little bit of what you can do with it. It was a 30-day challenge for me at one point because I said, this thing, from what I read, works, but you have to, like anything, be consistent. So I did like 10 minutes every day for a month, and I noticed a big difference. Workout, I could work out on it, and it was I was stronger. I felt better. And so I'll show you a few things that I do there. So that's something that I will be continuing on in the morning. My morning routine is going to be my 30-day challenge, one of my other 30-day challenge for August. And I've already taken pictures and it's official because I know I've done this once before and didn't do the 30 days. But I took pictures of my face, and my plan is to use coconut oil and baking soda every day for 30 days. I did this and got close to a week, 2 weeks. I noticed a big difference, and it wasn't consistent. I didn't do like the month. And so for myself, I already know there's crazy benefits, and um, I know people have reached out and said, oh, you can't put baking soda on your face. I see a lot of people who do it. So I am going to try to put the simplest, best, inexpensive, products on my face and skin that doesn't have crap in it and see how it goes. So um, that's going to be one of my 30-day challenges too. The other 30-day challenge for myself is going to be adding a 10-minute booty workout because for myself, I took some before pictures too, and I'd like to see if I can get my little flat self a little bit more muscular. And so I'm going to add that in and see if there's a difference because I know when you add anything in daily and change your routine, you'll see a benefit. But the key to all of it is being consistent and understanding that in 1 month you may not see, all your weight loss or all your fitness goals or whatever, but it compounds. It all continues. And once you stop using coconut oil, right, and scrub, it's going to stop all those good habits. So I wanted to also mention coconut oil um, changed my world in a way because there's so many uses for it and there's so many good purposes. You can eat it, cook with it. There is this scrub that I am doing a 30-day challenge with. People, I'm not sure exactly the process, but it's called pulling, I believe, and you can use it in your mouth and almost like a mouthwash type of thing and pull out toxins. It's a great lubricant. It's like takes makeup off your face. There's so many. I use it as moisturizer every day. And there's benefits to your skin, you know. So to me, this is something that I would say absolutely consider using. I mean, I think it's like $3, $4. I get the organic because why the hell not? And I'm not going to spend crazy money. Um, I also wanted to mention this because I'm going to be adding small weights or wrist or ankle weights to my workout in August because between the resistance and the weights, I'd like to get stronger and build. And I can't build with with heavy weights, and I have too many injuries or too many issues in my body. So adding that, taking a day off, and adding it and taking a day off, it's just going to be that 1% more that I can add to my workout. So that's my plan for there. I guess I can take that off. All right. So many times I wake up in the morning. One of the things I said I do is I get on here first thing in the morning. I get on here, and in the morning, it is my place to put my earbuds in, crank up the vibration plate. Many times I go right up to where you can't go anymore. I think it's like 99. I think it's at 55 right now. Fine. People ask me, what do you put it on? Well, listen to your body, somewhere as you feel the vibration, that's the point, right? And now you're going to be able to stretch in the mornings. I dance on here because why not, right? It's just extra stretching, and I get to listen to my music. Some of the things I do is I exaggerate my moves, right? I hold onto the side of the board, right? Along with stretching on here, you can do a lot of workout. Um, as you can see, I have the Bosu ball there, right? I think you see. So, you can get onto that and balance. You can also use this to balance, right? It's a whole different experience. But when you are balancing on there, you're using a lot of muscles to keep you straight. All the muscles you're using, you're building, you're working on, you're strengthening. And to me, that's where you can throw a band on. I could have had the band on, right? And being able to just balance on here. Of course, the center is going to be the most stable. Workout in squats, right? So you can come down to the side and squat almost like a step, right? So we do this very often. There's sitting on it and just taking a moment, right? Some of my clients have the vibration plate in the kitchen, and then their kids jump on, and their husband or wife jumps on, and family members or whatever. And so don't hide it. If you have one, put it out and you'll find. Even this morning, my cat was on it. Some of the other things I do, I have neck and shoulder issues. So I'm always stretching on this thing, rolling my head back and forth. Coming all the way down. So, you can come on here with weights, right? Coming straight down. I don't have weights in my hands right now, but there's so much that you can do on here. I would suggest, here's my thought process. Um, I enjoy working out, but I don't need to do it every day all the time, and I don't want to necessarily, even though I teach it, right? But if I can make it super crazy efficient, then you get more, I get more, like we all get more for working out. And to me, that's a win-win. So when I understood that and realized that holding, like I said before, balance, right? Isometric, holding yourself in a position while your body is working really hard to keep you there, adding resistance, right? So balance, resistance, and then something like this. When this can take your workout to another level, in my opinion, it's like, well, why don't we use it? So in my class, there's many times people will have their vibration plate wherever they are, or I have a few here, and we'll work out right on it. So it's a great thing to use just to stretch. You can use it really to just, people have alleviated back issues. I can't say I alleviated anything, but I'm more flexible for sure, and I'm stronger. And they, even down to this, your skin tightening. Now, I can't say if that's this or fasting, because fasting is very good for your skin and helps regenerate your skin. So I mean, there's a few different things, but I'll add to it, and then I'll even add the coconut if I can. Um, I'm game. So I just wanted to pop on and show you, since I had some questions about the vibration plate, and I need to gear up this weekend and get things written down, post it on Facebook and on my blog, because this month in August is going to be pretty epic for me, I have a feeling. And I'm going to push it to put all the pieces together that I know, and really, it's snowballing into a good place. So I hope that you have a great weekend, and try a vibration plate or coconut oil. Have a great day. Bye.